Hi, hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Ruth Laurenti, 37 years old, married, and I have 2 kids. I finished my study education, Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. Do you have a working experience as a helper?
Yes, I have experience first in Dubai, and the second is in Qatar.
Okay. What is your main duties and responsibilities?
My main duties and responsibilities, all the works in the house, and I care babies also.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, I'm not, but I'm willing to learn how to cook.
Okay. So if you have a chance to work in Hong Kong, how can you overcome your homesickness?
I overcome homesickness just singing alone and focus and love my work. That's
Okay. What are the main reasons why you want to work in Hong Kong?
the main reason I want to work in Hong Kong because of salary, honestly.
Okay. Are you willing to take the day off scheduled by your employer?
Yes.
And you sure that you can finish your contract if you have a chance?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have any message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. I want to work with you and serve honestly and value your value and understand your beliefs.
Okay. Are you financially ready for your medical training if you have a chance here?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.